Hello, Ignacio Esparza here. Today I want to show you my enhancement number 6. First of all, I want to show you my new admin.php file. I have included this code. Okay, and I have modified my code here in the header to show the option, the logout. Okay. Also, I have added the admin user, and I have modified the client level to 3. Okay, go to test the website. Go to my account. I will try to enter using user 2. Then I received all the information of my user, including the user level. Okay. Log out, and I go to the admin controller. Okay, now I will try using the admin account, and I receive all the information, including the level number 3. Then I receive a link to product controller. Now I can modify and work with these links. Okay, log out and come back to the home page. If I try, when I log it out, when I try enter to the products folder, I come back to the home page. I can't. If I try to open the admin page, I can't. Okay, now I go to test the HTML code for my admin page. I receive no errors. Log out. I test my home view. And I receive no errors. Okay, that's all. Thank you.